Yes. Say one. Count for mommy. Say one. I know. Can you do it for me? Sister. Say one. Chloe, count. Daddy, tell her to count.
Count, boo-boo. Count one more time and she won't make you do it again. Just do it one more time. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4,
6.
6.
Chloe.
Say, Mama, I'm tired.
Chloe, say one.
6,
7.
8, 9,
8, 9, 10.
92.
8, 9, 10.
Uno.
Go. 6, 6, go.
5.
Go.
6.
6,
7.
go.
9.
7,
10.
6.
Yay!
Yay!
Say, rock-a-bye baby.
Stop. Rock, baby. Stop. See.
Are you mommy's girl?
No.
Are you daddy's girl?
No.
Whose girl are you?
Get ready.
Huh?
Ready.
You're Chloe?
Yeah.
Are you Granny's girl?
Yeah.
Huh. Are you Popsy's girl?
Yeah.
Are you Flash's girl?
Yeah.
Are you Mommy's girl?
Yeah.
Are you Daddy's girl?
Yeah.
Yeah. I love you.
Very Mom.
Hey.
Candy, Daddy's to go to see
Hey, where's your granny at?
go.
Huh?
Cool.
Is your granny at school?
Yeah.
Yeah. I love you.
First is a girl. You.
Hey, wink at me. Chloe. Chloe, wink at me. Now blow me a kiss. You ready for night-night?
No.
No?
So I'm done for the night.
I love them.
Say good night. Can you say night-night?
Yeah.
Say bye.
No.
Say, see you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile.